The Milky Star Earflap hat. Here is the crochet tutorial. The whole hat is made of double crochet stitches. By adjusting the number of stitches to determine the head circumference that suits you, 2 squeaking stars are increased for decoration. The yarn is Crocheting yarn. 4.0 hook needle. Start in a ring and crochet 4 single crochet stitches in the first round. Remove the loop, tighten this thread end. Find the first single crochet stitch, insert the hook here, and bring the thread through to make a slip stitch. This way, the first round is completed, to hook the second round. Also without increasing or decreasing stitches, 4 single crochet stitches. And then continue to draw thread through. Turn it over. Chain 1 stitch in the third round. First, crochet a single crochet stitch, then a single crochet stitch increase, that is, in 1 stitch. Hook 2 single crochet stitches. Repeat the rest. On the fourth round, chain 1 stitch. 6 single crochet stitches without increasing or decreasing. In the 7th round, crochet 2 single crochet stitches first. Then crochet a single crochet stitch increase. Repeat the rest. On the 6th round, crochet 1 single crochet stitch without change. There are 8 single crochet stitches in total. The small tuft on the top of the head. Next, we'll crochet the head body. You need to stand up 2 chain stitches this time. In each stitch, you need to crochet 2 double crochet stitches, which is an increase in double crochet stitches. Hook the needle and thread through. Bring the thread through. Pass through the first 2 loops, and then through the last 2 loops. This is the way to crochet a double crochet stitch. Repeat the process 8 times. In the 8th round, chain 2 stitches. First, crochet a double crochet stitch. And the second stage is a double crochet stitch increase. 2 stitches in a group, and repeat 8 times. We crochet 2 double crochet stitches first. Then a double crochet stitch increase. In this way, 3 stitches in a group. In the same way, 8 groups. On the 9th round, we crochet 3 double crochet stitches, and 1 double crochet stitch increase, 1 double crochet stitch, 1 double crochet stitch increase. Then we crochet regularly, the size of the increased stitches, when you put the finished circle over the baby's head. If it can be larger than the baby's head, you can stop increasing stitches. Everyone should follow the baby's head circumference. How many rounds of increases you should crochet? I increased 6 double crochet stitches in this pattern, and then 1 increase. The suitable head circumference is about 48 centimeters. After we determine the head circumference, we can start crocheting double crochet stitches without increasing or decreasing. Chain 2 stitches and insert the hook. Bring the thread over to hook double crochet stitches. It means 1 stitch corresponds to 1 stitch. As for how many rows you crochet, depends on the depth of the head you want. If you want the head to be deeper, you can crochet a few more rows. This is also something that can be adjusted. The main part of the head is done. Let's start crocheting the ear flaps. The length of the ear part depends on as long as it can cover the baby's ears. Fold the head in half like this, then take the middle stitches respectively. You can crochet 12 double crochet stitches like me. Count 6 stitches from here after folding in half. Then count the 6th stitch from this side, and make a mark. Then use the same method here. Leave the stitches empty. Remove this marker. Insert the hook needle, and bring the thread through. We crochet a row of double crochet stitches, and chain 2 stitches in this stitch, and hook double crochet stitches. Next, we'll make 2 standing stitches and turn the fabric. The rule of this row is that 1 stitch is decreased at both ends, and the stitches in the middle remain unchanged. We'll start with the first decreased stitch, insert the hook, bring the thread through, and pass through the first 2 loops. Continue to wind the thread and insert into the second stage. Bring the thread through the first 2 loops, then chain 1 stitch. This is a double crochet stitch. If you can't find it, you can make a mark here. This is our first stitch. Okay, then in the middle, we don't increase or decrease. To hook double crochet stitches. Finally, there are 2 stitches left. We'll make a decreased stitch. Then chain 2 stitches, flip the fabric. We also decrease stitches at both ends of this row, and no stitches in the middle, no increase or decrease. Just hook a long stitch decrease. Then we take the thread from inside, and hook double crochet stitches around this side. Find the first stitch we just put through. First stitch. Bring the thread over, chain 2 stitches. Then insert the hook, bring the thread over and hook a double crochet stitch. Just hook 1 stitch to 1 stitch. We crochet around this head to make a double crochet stitch. After finishing the head body, we will finish. Crochet the star. The first 2 rounds, there are 10 double crochet stitches. The second round, 10 double crochet stitches and 1 stitch increase. Next, we will crochet the corners of the star. Chain 1 stitch. In the first stitch, we crochet a single crochet stitch. Have double crochet stitches. The second corner, we crochet double crochet stitches and triple crochet stitches. Double crochet stitch is to 1 twice. And then back 2 stitches. The third stage is a triple crochet and double crochet stitch. The fourth round is half double crochet stitches. Single crochet stitch. This is a corner, occupying 4 stitches. Then you can crochet 4 more groups. You need to crochet 2 pieces, one with thread end, and one with a long thread. Sew the 2 pieces back to back. Pick the back loop of each stitch. Here is a single crochet stitch. So find the corresponding one here, which is single crochet stitches. Half of it. And then the half stitch of the next stitch, and pick the half stitch of the next stitch. Sew the whole circle like this. You can put this squeaking toy or stuffed cotton. Both are fine. Next, we will crochet the ribbon. Make a slip knot with the crochet hook from the middle stitch of the ear flap through this knot. Tighten the thread and start chaining. The number of chain stitch can be adjusted at will. After hooking, take out our star. Pick the middle one and thread it through, and insert it. Then we pull up a stitch. Then you can cut the thread. Our star ear warmer hat is done.